Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back, we have that nice tow hitch, we have rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice fender, a nice gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, fenders on the front as well as two tow hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. And we do have this nice black perforated leathering. We do have two cup holders right there, 12-volt, two heated back seats. Oh lordy, come on. USB and USB-C, and 110 volt just right there. And of course, if you don't need this extra seat, you have two cup holders and some arm space. And we do have a nice twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And taking a look at the driver's side now, we have powered seats as well as the same black leather perforated seats we saw in the back. Plenty of door space, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have your parking brake release, tailgate opener, pedal adjusters, lights, and blind spot right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 166,736 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your volume mode, playback, play forward, phone, voice, and mute, cruise control, and your toggle for your main screen, which you can go through My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-road, and other settings. Continuing our look here, you do get a fair bit of storage with 2 cup holders, but if you're a little extra thirsty that day, it turns into 4. Wireless charging pad with storage, USB and USB-C, and this does close. Nice leather wrap center console with a ton of storage down there. You do have your parking brake, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, heated and cooled front seats, plus your dual climate, 12 volt, 110 volt. Clicking this, you do get storage here, and as well as the glove compartment, storage there as well, with a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. You have your engine brake, traction, hazards, downhill, and lane keep. Above me, we have 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, as well as a rear window opener. We also have our functions for a twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier. And looking at your main screen here, you have your navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, climate, your phone, navigation, apps, settings such as Bluetooth, phone, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE06733A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.